How to duplicate flat key by to M to tank. Universal key duplication. Please select flat key. Please select the tip. It means the key is located by tip. And then install the key depending on the guiding picture. Please use stoppers to help locate the keys on the machine. Pay attention. Close to the first line. Remove the stopper. And then tighten the knob. Click Confirm if installation is ready. The probe scans the whole key. The key shape will appear after scanning. Find the proper key blank. Pay attention to detailed installation. First, input the stopper. Second, keep the key horizontal. Third, close to the first line. The fourth, tighten the knob. The fifth, use the tool to tighten the key that is better. If it is ready, click Cut. If finished cutting, please loosen the screws. Compare the cut key with the original key. Try the lock-on.